Doves in the wind, pussy like doves in the wind.
Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants and a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck, but fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you, looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, close off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. I wish we stick with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Baby, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew.
The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah, yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny. Like you need me in your life. Yeah, it's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What? No, it's hard for you to deny. Like you need me in your life. Think about us, baby. What you think about us, baby? I could be wrong, but it could be love. Just think about us, baby. Yeah.
Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants and a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck. But fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough. Get hot with me now, see smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you, looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. I language we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you're seeing me through all this shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. So today I have this wig from Sunburn Hair. This wig is 112. It is a 16-inch and the density is 150. So in the clip before, you guys did see me customize the wig and put it on and everything. So I just thought to just do an updo with some two little strands. It's really cute, and I did dye this wig and I did bleach knots and I did pluck it. So I decided just to put some highlights in the wig, not too much. It's pretty cute though, I really like it. So with the wig, it came with the box, and the wig came in the box, and it came with some wig caps, and it came with some lashes. And on the back of the box, it just tells you about the hair. And this is a lace front wig, obviously. It is a 13 by 6. The wig is a 13 by 6 and it's kinky curly. So with shedding and tangling, I do receive tangling, I do receive shedding, but it's not too much. I do receive a lot of shedding when I bleached the knots and when I dyed the wig, but other than that, I didn't receive any more shedding. But sometimes I do get little snags as a finger comb through the hair. It's 16 inches, so that right there. But the wig is really pretty. I love the texture. And yeah, that's it for this review part. It's pretty short, but the wig is kind of, you know, it's cool. Just getting some tangles, as y'all can see. So if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me down a comment, because I'll comment back. Let you know if you have any questions. And yeah, bye guys.
Wait for your boss, don't be late, no, no, no.